Today I would like to introduce you to a dessert that blends the buttery texture of short crust pastry with a citrus twist. Caramelized orange tart. Ingredients for the short crust pastry: 300 grams of 00 flour, 150 grams of cold butter from the fridge, 150 grams of sugar, 1 large egg, 1 egg yolk, the grated zest of 1 lemon, a pinch of salt. For the caramelized oranges, you will need 3 untreated oranges, 200 grams of sugar, 50 milliliters of water, the juice of 1 orange. Start by preparing the short crust pastry. In a bowl, put the sifted flour and the butter cut into cubes. Work with your fingertips until you get a sandy mixture. Add the sugar, the grated lemon zest, and a pinch of salt. Make a well in the center of the mixture. Add the egg and the yolk and start to mix until you form a ball of dough. Prepare the caramelized oranges. Wash and cut the oranges into circular slices about 3-4 millimeters. In a large saucepan, put the sugar and water and heat over medium heat. Allow the sugar to dissolve completely and start to boil until it becomes golden. Carefully add the juice of 1 orange to the boiling caramel. Stir gently, then add the orange slices. Let them cook in the caramel for about 2-3 minutes per side until they become glossy and slightly translucent. Roll out the cold short crust pastry and lay it in a tart tin, forming a high edge. Prick the bottom with a fork. Arrange the caramelized orange slices on top of the short crust pastry base and pour the remaining caramel. Bake the tart in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes, or until the pastry is golden. Remember to subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the next recipes, and visit our website for more delicious dishes. Let the tart cool before turning out and serving it. The caramelized orange tart is a delicious variation that masterfully fuses the sweetness of caramel with the freshness and acidity of citrus fruits. A classic baked dessert enriched with the complexity of citrus, perfect for those seeking a balance of flavors that delights the palate.